Click on the link below to get price. The TECHTONGDA 2200W Ceiling Dehumidifier Suspended Dryer is a powerful solution for managing humidity levels in basements and large spaces. With a remarkable capacity of 150 liters per day, this unit is designed to tackle significant moisture issues, making it an ideal choice for homeowners in humid climates or those with damp basements. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its impressive energy efficiency. Operating at 2,200 watts, it manages to deliver high performance without consuming excessive power. This is a significant consideration for those looking to maintain a comfortable environment while keeping energy costs manageable. The unit is built with durable materials, ensuring longevity and resilience against the rigors of constant operation. Installation is straightforward, especially when suspended from the ceiling. This not only saves floor space but also enhances the efficiency of moisture removal by taking advantage of the natural airflow in the room. The design includes adjustable air outlets, allowing for customized airflow direction to maximize coverage throughout the area. The user interface is simple and intuitive, featuring a digital display that shows humidity levels and allows for easy adjustment of settings. The noise level is surprisingly low for such powerful equipment, making it suitable for residential use without disrupting daily activities. Another noteworthy aspect is the auto restart function, which comes in handy during power outages, returning the unit to its previous settings without manual intervention. Additionally, the continuous drainage feature eliminates the need for regular manual emptying of the water tank, further enhancing convenience. However, potential buyers should be aware of the initial investment, as this unit is on the pricier side compared to smaller, less powerful dehumidifiers. Still, the long-term benefits, including improved air quality and protection against mold and mildew, make it a worthwhile investment. In conclusion, the TECHTONGDA 2200W Ceiling Dehumidifier is a robust, efficient, and user-friendly appliance that effectively addresses high humidity issues, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their indoor air quality.